This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the Bio CEO and Investor Conference 2019 in New York. With me right now is Andrew Tasker from Femeda. It's a private company. Andrew, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
It's great to have you on.
Thank you.
So, for our audience, we'll start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Femeda is a medical device business. We specialize in female health, and we have just launched to the market in Europe a new product called Pelviva, a pelvic floor muscle retrainer.
So let's get into the product a little bit more. How does it work? A little bit about the technology as well.
The product originated out of a Manchester University patent. It's based on a unique waveform technology that delivers stimulation to the pelvic floor muscle. And it's through that, combined with what we call our reactive pulse technology, which constantly adapts literally every 10th of a second over a 30-minute treatment program. A new product is used every other day for a period of 90 days, so 45 devices in total, delivering 84% improvement in bladder control. Again, a unique claim in this sector.
So how is your product, how is it different than what's currently out there on the medical device market? There's plenty of over-the-counter options, but on the medical device side, what's the main differentiation factor?
Well, that's a great question, because the reality is this is a condition that affects 1 in 3 women, but there really aren't any real competitive devices that really meet the need of being portable and disposable as this product is, and delivering these leading levels of efficacy. So from a competitive set, we honestly don't feel that we really have a valid competitive profile.
And you mentioned a little bit in terms of the market size. Can you tell us, where it's currently available? What's the market size for the medical device?
Well, this is a case of looking much more broadly. The whole current market for female incontinence is worth over 14 billion at the moment. I say affecting 1 in 3 women globally. So, and that's really without any innovation. Really, the only solution is nearly as mopping up the problem for women. So this is why we really do bring a real life-changing condition.
And what's your background? How did you come into all of this?
Well, I've had a career in a combination of consumer healthcare and pharmaceuticals. Initially with the Procter & Gamble, I was managing director of the Pfizer consumer business in the UK, and then set up the Pfizer European office, and then being with Roto Pharmaceuticals. It was time though to make a change and do something myself. So I've been with the business really now, driving the final stage of the R&D and bringing the product to market, because this is something that is a life-changing for women.
So, like you said, the product is currently available for purchase in the UK. What's the process? Do you need a prescription for it, or is it available over the counter?
No, the product is available over the counter. It's a Class 2A medical device. However, we're increasingly seeing recommendation from the hospital environment, recommendation from pharmacy, and also making it available direct to the consumers, which is very important in such a sensitive personal area for women.
And Andrew, from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's growth drivers now moving forward?
Well, we are marketing and making the product available ourselves as Femeda in the UK. We are looking for licensing and distribution partners then in other global markets. We're ready to launch in Europe and again across the Middle East. With regard to the US, again, a real key opportunity for us. We are running a major post-marketing clinical trial in conjunction with Manchester University and the NHIR, which will be a 330-patient real-world clinical trial, a landmark trial of its kind, and perhaps actually we believe the largest medical device trial in the UK this next year. That'll give us the data to enable us to push forward with an FDA 510K, which we're looking to file towards the end of this calendar year.
And Andrew, where can our audience go and find more information about Femeda?
At our Femeda.com website or Pelviva.com with regard to the individual product.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNNLive, and we're here at the Bio CEO and Investor Conference 2019 in New York. With me again has been Andrew Tasker from Femeda. It's a private company. Andrew, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you very much. Great to be here.